Hello there and welcome back. In our last video we did implement equal to, not equal to, and other relational operators, and I kind of forgot to implement two more operators, that is the or and the and. So we did the tokenization for them and the lex and the parsing, but we didn't put it within the interpreter. So in this video we'll be able to fix that very fast, and then in the next video we'll look at other things. Let's get started. So let's start by navigating into our ast.cpp file where we have done the implementation for binary expression evaluation, and in here we'll be adding the two operators, the logic or and the logic and. I think it's or and an operator, and it should be same to these two. So I'm just gonna copy and paste them here, and then this will change it to or, and this will just change it to and. We'll do here or, we'll do here and. So as usual, we need to implement this in our runtime var struct. So under backend, we come to runtime. We need to overload this operator. Let's go back to the header file first. In our header file, let's copy the last two inputs, and then I will paste it here. So for this, I need to do or. I'll do and here. So that should be it. In our C++ file, runtime.cpp, I will duplicate this one. There. So for this case, we need to, let's start the or operator. So this means that we need to be able to convert our data into Boolean types. That way we can do the or and the and operators. So for this case, let me start with the and, because I think that might make more sense. I'll do here and. So for and, let me just do here if type is equals to null, we'll just return runtime var of true, actually of false. This should be nil. Yes. So if it's a nil type, just break the chain and return false. And this should be that or interesting. Let me bring up Python first of all and do false or false. It's supposed to be capital L's. Is false. False and true is false. So false and false is still false. Okay, so we can shorthand this and say as long as we have a nil type, Yeah, okay, let's just keep it that way. If it's a nil type, let's first of all return false. Else, if that's not the case, let's just do to bool type. We don't need this part, so we'll do here to bool type, and then we also do here other dot to bool. So in short, we are converting our current data into a Boolean type, and then we are doing the AND operation in the other side as well. This should be the same for both sides. I think yeah, we might need to fix that as well. Okay, so let me just copy that. Let's replace the whole thing here. So we convert to bool, and then we do or here. So let's still ensure that we can do. Let me just bring out. So let me just still bring out Python just to confirm. I do true. Or A. What if I do A or false? Get an A. So for these ones, there is no need to check if they're of the same type. I also don't think we can just skip this step completely. Yeah. So just convert to Boolean and just do the operation. That might make more sense. So let me also fix this part. Kind of good. So that's done. With that sorted, let me confirm the method to convert to booleans. So this is for to double, to string, to bool. So if it's false or nils, we return a false. If it's a number, you confirm that it's not equal to 0, else we return true. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Now, so let's rerun this and confirm if now we have that checked in. Exit that, rerun. So let's do true or false. Is true, true, and false is false. Okay, so nil and true is false. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so the AND and OR operators are now working correctly. So it can be used in an expression as, let's say, you can do hello is equals to hello, which is true, and let's do, I have a variable somewhere defined. Let me just confirm what it was. So I'll do x, and x is greater than, so x is greater than 20. So this will evaluate true here, because x is actually at 23.45, so it's greater than 20. and this as well is equal. So that's it for the AND and OR operator. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.